Matthew's got the houseplant over in the red corner, and we've got Dave over in the blue corner, totally not a FingerTech Kit. We'll start in 3, 2, 1, fight. Both of them coming in quickly. We got wedges on both of them. Both sides are open. And I see that the houseplant, I think, has changed the design a bit. He's got wooden fingers on both sides, which honestly, a lot of people underestimate the capability of wood. It's light, it's hard, it's actually quite compliant, so it's actually kind of hard to make it snap. Houseplant pinning FingerTech, not FingerTech Kit. I'm just going to call it Totally from now on, because that's a big name. Totally over in by the red hazard there, having a little trouble getting around the outside. This one's interesting because there's a lot of TPU on there, including that the blue wedge fingers that you see on the one side, designed to be able to take a hit and just keep going. And so far, it does seem to be doing well, at least against the wooden forks on the houseplant, who is now cornered in there. He can have 10 seconds before he's allowed to, before he's required to release him. Ooh, hard bounce off of the red hazard, almost makes its way over to the blue pushout. Both of them dangerously close over there. Oh no! Now the forks on the one side of houseplant have come apart. Sounds like maybe you should have used Loctite on that one. But he is able to use the tines on the other side, holding Totally up against the wall. Once again, he can have his 10 seconds, and he is counting down. Releases him over there, having a little bit of trouble getting around that red hazard. And Totally having a little trouble with the control. I think it looks like the one wheel is working, but it is difficult to drive a bot that basically only has 2 contact points, especially if the other is really close like those tines. Makes it difficult to actually direct it. And houseplant getting a bit of a push for Totally into the red hazard, both of them coming to the center and now over to the blue corner. And definitely houseplant is being very aggressive here, as the name implies, but this time Totally managed to get an opportunity, gets around beside the houseplant, takes him over to the blue hazard, almost out the red side. He's got him pinned up against the wall, but they both fall out. It's a double knockout, so we will pause the match, and we will reset them both to their positions. 1 minute and 2 still on the clock.
One of my weapon shafts is, one of the motor shafts got pinged by that, so it only works in reverse now.
Those go to the corners, right?
Ready? Do I have the button? Okay, good. It's going better now, I guess.
So tap back in when you're ready. The computer is thinking. Ready? 3, 2, 1, fight! So a minute 2 still to go as we make our way out here.
We need the hazards on.
Yeah, the clock and everything's decided that we're still in tap out. So we'll be without the hazards, unfortunately, but we can still see the clock, 50 seconds left, as the houseplant continually running down the Totally not a FingerTech Kit there. But Totally not out of it either. He's really getting around there. Unfortunately, wanted to use that blue hazard, can't quite. But both of these bots doing a good job of pushing, and the pushouts are open on both sides, so could just be a matter of one quick push, putting everyone out, and Totally trying to get around the hazard. Does get into a grapple there with Aggressive in the middle. Aggressive backing off for a moment, and now getting over towards the blue side. Both very close, jockeying around of who's going to be on the inside and who's on the outside, now coming over to the red hazard, or red pushout area, and the plant drives out, so the win goes to Totally not a FingerTech Kit. Congratulations, Dave.